Hi, I'm Laura Vanderkam. I'm the author of The New Corner Office, How the Most Successful People Work from Home. Remote workers tend to be responsible for managing their own schedules, and this can be liberating, but it can also be challenging. I found that the best way to stay productive is to manage by task rather than time. So set yourself 3 to 5 doable but challenging intentions for each day. Figure out when exactly you can do these things. And when you've crossed everything off the list, well, the day is done. Whatever time it happens to be, though most people get pretty good about figuring out about how much work can fit in 8 hours. In any case, the reason to manage by task, not time, is that when the tasks are done, you know you can relax, even if you can still see your laptop. And if you happen to work in a really small home office, that can be huge.